Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today I'm going to take a look at this Gen Y Torsion weight distribution shank for 2.5 inch hitches. Offers a 6.5 inch drop or a 6.5 inch rise and 1,700 pound tongue weight capacity. Now this shank here is designed to slide into your hitch receiver, provides the attachment point for your weight distribution system's head assembly. It is designed for use with most standard 2.5 inch weight distribution systems that are out on the market. It does offer 6 mounting positions here for attaching your weight distribution head assembly to. It'll let you level your trailer with your tow vehicle. Now the holes right here you can see, they are spaced center to center 1¼ inches apart, and the diameter on these holes is 3/4 inch. Now this is a shock absorbing design, ensures a nice smooth steady ride. The technology functions just like a torsion axle. It'll limit the transfer of road shock from the trailer to your vehicle and vice versa. And what's nice is this type of shock absorption system is very easy to maintain. You just regularly apply grease to the built-in Zerk fittings on each section here, and this will keep the components in working condition. There's no airbags to fill, no small parts to repair or replace, so there's no hassle. Now the shank here features a built-in mechanical tongue weight scale, and I did want to zoom in on that. If I turn this way, you'll be able to see that scale on one of the arms, and there's also one on the bottom arm also. The max line on this scale, right up here it'll say max. This max line will indicate the mount's maximum tongue weight, which would be 1,700 pounds. The minimum line right now, where the white indicator is showing, that minimum line indicates no tongue weight. So what you want to have is you must have a minimum tongue weight of 1,200 pounds on this for a built-in shock absorption feature to function. So what that means is when you hook this up, that white arrow, this white indicator mark, should be in that green area between the max line and the minimum line when you hook up your trailer to tow. And we did mention there's your Zerk fittings. You might be able to see there's 2 of them here and then 2 of them on the bottom arm. Now this is a heavy-duty steel construction. It has a zinc primer on it and then a nice epoxy powder coat finish on it to resist corrosion. Now it does require a hitch pinning clip when you slide this into your hitch or your receiver opening. You can see they're offered 2 different holes for your application. You pick the one that fits best for you, and the size of those holes is 5/8 inch diameter. As I mentioned, the hitch pinning clip is not included. We do sell that separately. This part is SAE J684 certified. It is made in the USA. Application again fits 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch trailer hitch receivers. When it's used in the maximum drop position, it can get you a maximum drop of 6.5 inches. If you flip this over, you can get a maximum rise of 6.5 inches. Gross towing weight capacity again is 16,000 pounds, and the tongue weight range is 1,200 pounds to 1,700 pounds. But that should do it for the review on this Gen Y Torsion weight distribution shank for 2.5 inch hitches with a 6.5 inch drop or a 6.5 inch rise.